Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County in northeastern Mississippi, northern Lee County in northeastern Mississippi, southern Tippah County in northeastern Mississippi, western Prentiss County in northeastern Mississippi, southwestern Alcorn County in northeastern Mississippi, until 12:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over New Albany, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boonville, New Albany, Ripley, Baldwin, Jumpertown, Keonville, Wheeler, Myrtle, Dumas, Shari, Pooville, Graham, Jericho, Branyan, Allistown, Old Myrtle, Collinstown, Pumpkin Center, Baker, and Gayville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Alcorn, Lee, Prentiss, Tippah, and Union.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.